Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to walk you through how to apply lashes like a pro. If you're new here, I'm a pro makeup artist, so I have all the insider tips on how to apply lashes, shop for lashes, and make sure they stay on. So let's get to it. These are the lashes I'm going to be using today. As you can see, they are really kind of like a light, flirty, kind of natural vibe. Also, if you look really close, you can see that the band is clear. The density isn't too thick and it's not too long, so they're going to blend in really nicely with my natural lashes. When you're shopping for an eyelash, you want to take into account the effect you want your eye to have. If you want it to be more of a lifted kind of cat eye vibe, you want to go for something like a demi wispy or something that starts really short in the inner corner and flicks out on the end. That kind of gives the eye a little bit of a lift and opens it. If you're going for a no liner look like this eye look that I have on right now, you want to make sure that you're working with a clear band. So when you're shopping for a lash, you want to take three things into account: the density, the length, and also the color of the band. Now, some of you may be new to this and you probably are like, what's a band? The band on the lash is this little line that connects all of the lashes together. This is a clear band. If I pop this on, it's still gonna look like I don't have any eyeliner on, and the lashes are gonna be nice and flirty. And I also want to apply that with the clear glue. Now, if I'm wearing liner and I just want to kind of emphasize that and make sure the lash blends in with my black liner, you're gonna want to go for something like this with the black band. This one also has cute little rhinestones, but the whole point of this is that this band is black, so it's gonna melt into your liner, right? So the lash I selected today is going to give me like that rounded kind of doll eye, not too long in the outer, is kind of more consistent and fanned out. Let's apply it. You want to grab at the band to make sure that you're not plucking off any of the lashes. The first step to applying a lash is to measure it to your eye. You want to have your magnifying mirror in your hand, look down into the mirror, and just kind of line it up. No glue is on the lash. I'm just making sure that if I need to trim anything off, that I do that before I apply glue and pop it on. So I can tell that this one needs to be cut a little bit from the outer corner. Never cut from the inner corner, always from the outer corner. Even if you want to create a half lash, you want to cut from the outer corner. So I'm going to go ahead and remove a little bit, just about that much from the lash, right? And then I can see in the front, the band is a little bit longer, which is normal. Sometimes they're like that. Trim that extra part of the band off. Now from there, you can start adding a little bit of glue to the lash. I like to use a quick set glue. Either Duo or Lily Lashes glue is my favorite. Just brush it on right on the band, just like this. Personally, I like a quick set glue because it gets tacky really fast and I don't have to worry about it like slipping and sliding around once I pop it on. Make sure your tweezers are clean, nothing sticky on them. Grab the lash from the center, just like that. Tilt your head back so you can see your lash line. I want to get the ends behind my natural lash, just like that, and just pop the center of that lash in place. From there, I can go in and adjust the outer corners to go right at the lash line, just like that. You want to stay looking down, that way you can see your lash line. Okay, so I have one lash on. Let's put on another one. I already trimmed this one. I went ahead and did all the things that I knew needed to be done anyway. Pop this baby where she gotta be. Really get a hold of that lash and take control of it. Bam. Okay. That looks really good of the tweezers, and just really make sure it lays in there, because I have a really curly lashes and my lash line is like a real curve. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and share this with a friend. The last step that I like to do when I'm feeling really fancy is a lash fuser. You want to hold it like this and go into the lash line, go all the way. You see how it's like all the way pressed to the lash line? Look down and just gently press it up. This is gonna fuse my real lashes with the falsies. Ooh, you see that? That's what I'm talking about. Just really makes them blend and like look like one. Okay guys, so that's it. That's my pro tips for applying lashes, making sure they look good, suit your eye shape, and really just give you the vibe you're going for. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend, like, subscribe, all the good things. Bye.